Truck scales are often located in remote, rugged locations that are susceptible to environmental hazards such as lightning. Even a single strike can be detrimental to a truck scale system that is not equipped with proper protection. PowerCell PDX load cells are equipped with lightning protection up to 80,000 amps, equivalent to almost 3 times the average lightning strike. Our trademark Strike Shield technology shuts off communication between the load cell and the indicator, protecting the system in the event of a strike. This prevents significant downtime and allows operations to stay up and running at full capacity, eliminating the threat of lightning and environmental hazards.